1957 Cadillac Series 62. Beautiful black color. Nice gold accent. Look over here. Don't touch. Don't touch. Just look. It's really pretty. Look at the logo on the back. It's nice.